Here is a 2008 Wexford Box Fan that I got from my grandmother. This is a fan that I had, and then I traded a different fan, which was a Lasco 2002 W, for this. Just a little warning, it says don't use it in the window. I mean, you can, but it's just saying if it gets wet, it'll electrocute you if you're not careful. I don't know what that little space is there for, but it's a very thin and small fan, good for little windows. I absolutely love these clear plastic blades. Wexford. Date code is February of 2008. And this was sold at Walgreens drugstores, I believe. This also has no fuse on the plug. So we'll start off with high. Blows a ton of air for its size. And low. The bearings are a little scratchy, even though I just lubricated this. Something is wrong with it. I have to figure out what's wrong with it exactly, but other than that, it runs perfectly. It's all nice and clean. I polished the blades up so they're absolutely clear. And yeah, this is a really nice little fan. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.